Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be unboxing. As you can see on the title, it's the mystery box. This is a $100 mystery box from Etsy that I've purchased. So I am excited to show you guys what's inside. And yeah, this is the box that I've actually purchased. So it's actually from Katie Craft Designs from Etsy. I was always curious about doing those mystery boxes I've been seeing on the social media platforms, over the internet, YouTube. So yeah, so that's what I am going to be doing today. And by the way, if you're brand new here to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and the bell notification below so you'll get notified for future videos. But yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. So this is what I am going to be doing, is unboxing. Wait, let me just get some scissors. So yep, so let's just go ahead and open the box. This is actually my first time. This is actually my first purchase for doing the mystery box because I've seen a lot of other horror stories on the internet having the mystery box. So I did a lot with my research because of course I wanted to get the best bang for my buck as well, because this is basically, it's $100, so I am not sure where to get. So I did my research and I saw Katie Craft Designs on the internet, so I decided to buy it from her. Ooh, it's so pretty. The packaging itself, wow, okay. So this is what it looks like, guys, inside. You see that? That is very pretty. She has this little message over here. Your order made my day. Oh wow, okay, I guess this are all the masks. And then she has the products behind and the amount of products, I guess, for each. So this is the skin soothing masks sheet. It's a face mask. So basically these are all face masks. This is one and this is another one. It still has these little tiny confetti, I would say. Let me just remove that. I'll be right back. The next one I'm gonna be, oh wow. This is Natasha Denona. She's one of the well-known, makeup brands out there on the market. Okay, let's see. Look at the packaging too. This is fancy. Okay. Ooh la 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 la. This is pretty. So I guess the other one is the highlighter. I guess this is the highlighter, I would assume. Yep, pretty much like a highlighter. And the other one is a blush. So if you can see right here, this is so pretty. So this is the palette. Okay, so the next one is this one, the Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer. So I have made for each other. CHRISTINA. I'm very bad at pronouncing names, so I apologize for that. Okay, so it has a illuminating primer and serum. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. So this is the eye serum, and then the other one, they have the eyeshadow palette. I think I kind of broke it, see that? But that can be fixed. It's not a big deal. It's more like a shimmery eyeshadow. And this is basically for the body as well. You can actually use this for face and for body, which is cool. And then the next one I have is, ooh, there goes a Tarte. This is from Tarte, and this is one of my favorite eyeliner, guys. This is the retail price for this. It's like basically $24. Look at that. This is like the eye pencil. And the other one is, this is more like for the liquid eyeliner. And let me just go ahead and use it. Ooh, look at that. So nice. This is very pretty. And the next one is this Ace Beauty Draw Lip Liner. Oh, you know what? I love the color too. So this is the color. It's very, very nice, if you can see. It has two shades. Ah, it's not only one. I didn't even see that. So it has the two. This is more like the nude color. It's Be Peachy. I like the name. Be Peachy. And the other one is So Gorgeous. I love the name. You can see more like on the red tone, and let me go ahead and do that. It's very creamy too. Look at that color. So this is the Be Peachy, and the other one is So Gorgeous. Oh, look at that. I didn't even realize it has two, so I only noticed one. I wasn't really paying attention, but this is very nice. And it's from Ace Beauty. And then the next one, I believe this will be the last. Oh no, I still got two more left. This is the Milk Makeup. This is the Milk Makeup. It's a lip balm. Oh, okay. It's a milk makeup. It's a lip balm. Look at the color. This is very pretty. It's a lip balm. Let me just go ahead and... It has a little, you know, little shade, if you can see. It's gonna give you a little tint on the lips, but this is very nice. I've never tried one before, but this is a great addition. This is very nice. And you know, if you're a makeup enthusiast, you are, you know, pretty much familiar with this brand. And the last one, I believe, is the last one, and I have the Luxie Classic Face Set. It's a brush. This is what the brush look like. So this is what it looks like, guys. Sorry about the glare. You can see my lighting on the back. So the brush set includes a 502 large powder. This is the 502, and then large angled. Okay, this is a 504 angled tapered highlighter. We know this one, and then the medium fan, which is obviously that's the fan. This is a nice addition too for face brushes. Perfect for travel, I guess. This is a rose gold collection. So I guess that's it. What I have for this. I don't have any more. I just don't have this. So that's what's inside the box. So again, I have these brushes, and then the eye serum and primer, and then I have the illuminating palette, the shimmer palette inside this box, and then the Natasha Denona blush duo, which is a very nice one. I like it. And then the Tarte eyeliner, the milk makeup, and this one, the Ace Beauty lip liner. The milk makeup is the lip balm, and then this one, they're the lip liners. And I've got these two masks, face mask. This is basically a good addition to my skincare routine. So Katie, thank you so much for this nice mystery box. It's so exciting because, you know what, I've never done any kind of mystery box unboxing for makeup. I'm quite, you know, I'm satisfied for what I received from Katie Craft Designs. And yeah, so if you wanted to check her out, I am gonna be putting down a link to her store or to her website. So if you wanted to check her out, you can go ahead and click that link in the description box below. So there you have it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to hit the like and bell notification below to get notified for future videos. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Bye!